What's up, people? We're back again. My name is Clifford Mlauzi. In today's video, I would like to show you how you can buy USDT on Binance locally. So watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified every time I post a new video. So right now, let's switch. All right, so we're in our Binance platform. We have already verified. I don't know how whichever way you're gonna use. I mean, do the verification, but yeah, it is what it is. We are verified. So this is our platform, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here, right there, and right. Okay. So once we come here, the next thing we need to do is to come on P2P. We go on P2P straight like that. All right. So we need to change the currency. So for example, I'll just give an example of Zambia, right? Zambia. So let's say let's put Zambian kwacha right here. All the Zambian kwacha orders are going to pop up on right here, just like that. Okay. So this is like all the people that are selling dollars in Zambia. So if you'd like to buy, let's say if you're in Zambian, you stay in Zambia and you'd like to buy USDT, this is like the best way to do. And then the next thing you need to do is just to come on this right end. The right ends they say Airtel money. This is just simply like how you're gonna send the money. So this is Airtel money, Airtel money, Airtel money. This is Airtel Money and MTN Mobile. This is bank transfer. This guy's got a bank transfer, MTN Mobile Money, whatever. This guy's got NFB. It's got MTN Mobile Money, Airtel Money, bank transfer. This guy. So you can actually see that these guys have got a lot of payment methods, which means you can simply use them, right? You can simply use them. All right. So the next thing that you need to do is that let's say we are buying from this guy who is on top, because when you see 27.58 is just like his rate per dollar. So the lower you go, the more expensive it becomes. So we don't have to go down there. We have to make sure that we buy from the guy that pops up here, right, first. So the next thing we're gonna do is that we just have to hit buy. All right. Once we hit buy, we'll come on this platform. We need to specify how much we are buying from this guy. So let's just say we want to buy 200 kwacha, or let's say we want to buy $2,000. I don't know. Yeah, we want to buy $2,000, and then the next thing we need to do is to hit buy USDT. So when we hit the buy USDT, let me just skip this. So right now, this is our order. Everything is there. The payment method, there's Airtel Money, there's FNB, there's MTN. So let's just say we want to use Airtel Money. So what we're going to do is to come on this conversation bell, and this guy is also telling you that this is how legit these things are on this platform, right? So don't use third party. If you don't, let's say when they say third party, they're trying to say don't use somebody's account sending money to people. If it has to be in your name, the same name that is on the platform, or else you have to tell the person that I'm sending money from this platform or this platform 123. Can I do that? And then it's gonna tell you, and then you can literally do everything right here. You can actually type, because this guy is online, so you can just like type the message and send it to him. And once you do that, you have to make a payment. You come on the payment, and they're actually showing you that you're supposed to send money to this person, send money to this method. And let's say we have chosen Airtel Money, so we're literally going to send money through Airtel Money. So this is his Airtel Money. This is the amount of money that we're gonna send. This is the name that's gonna pop up and everything. And after that, we have to hit, we have sent the money, we hit transferred, notify seller. So once we hit the transfer notify seller, the seller will be notified that here, and he's gonna like acknowledge that he has received the money. And as soon as it does that, it's gonna release your money, and your money is gonna come straight to your Binance. All right, guys. I hope I've made myself clear on this one. One thing I need to say is that don't be afraid to buy from this app, because guys, on Binance the money is in screw. A screw is just simply like Binance has verified that this guy has the money and he would like to sell. And if the money is available on this platform, it means Binance has hold that money. Binance is holding that money, which means if you're you guys have done a trade. Binance will take that money, put it in your account. You get what I'm saying, right? So don't be afraid to trade on this platform. Like in Malawi, I'm saying it's crazy because the prices of Binance of USDT on Binance are quite crazy. That's why most people are not putting their ads or whatever. But don't worry, you can literally buy USDT from anywhere. You can just buy USDT from a person outside Binance. You can just ask them, how can I buy Binance? How can I do this? How can I do that? Just okay. If you're also looking forward to buy USDT, let me know. There's a bunch of contacts or whatever social media handles you can use to reach me, to reach out to me. I'll be so much excited. Otherwise, I'll be so much excited to see you coming to me buying USDT, or else maybe you'd like to send USDT somewhere. You would like to get USDT somewhere, or maybe you have USDT and you don't know where to sell. Just bring it to me, and I'm gonna buy it from you. Otherwise, this is just as simple as that, and I hope it has been so helpful. So don't forget to like this and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you should always be notified. Otherwise, keep it G and have a very good day. Peace out.